Welcome, I'm from the Samsung Galaxy A06 and today I'll show you how you can put this device into download mode. To get started, we will need to turn off our device, so hold power button and volume down at the same time and select power off. Next, grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and once you have that ready, you're going to hold volume up and volume down at the same time, and while holding both of those buttons, you will then plug in the cable. So let's do that right now. Volume up and volume down, and plug it in. You might hear some of the sounds from the computer that it's like detecting it and then disconnecting it or whatever. Don't worry about those too much. Just keep on holding volume up and down till you see this page right over here. Next, once you see this page here, all you need to do is press volume up to continue, and this will redirect us to the download mode. So there we go. Now, to leave this mode, you would need to hold power button and volume down for more than 7 seconds. This will forcibly reboot the device, and this is the only way to leave this mode without actually utilizing the download mode. Typically, when you're using download mode for a specific purpose, whatever that purpose was would, at the end of basically finishing whatever it was doing, it would reboot the device. But if you're not doing anything here, you can hold volume up and down, or volume down and power button for 7 seconds, and this will reboot the device and bring you back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.